Okay, good day everyone. No, so mayroon tayong slightly changes dito sa mga topics natin sa first quarter kasi nga may nakaligtaan akong two topics. So dito yung itong lesson na i-discuss ko ngayon, isisingit ko siya for lesson 4. Okay? Actually, dalawa lang naman yung lesson 4 natin, then dalawa lang din yung insert ko. No, hindi naman kahabaan masyado to. Okay? So now, let us continue our lesson about rational algebraic expression, but this time papasok na tayo sa operation, no? So magi-start tayo sa multiplication of rational algebraic expressions kasi nga magkadugtong tong simplifying tsaka yung multiplication. Nga lang nag-add tayo ng operation kaya magkadugtong sila. Now, multiplication of rational expression, no? You're going to do first is to simplify the expressions in numerator. So yung mga expressions sa mga numerators ng dalawang rational algebraic expression, i-factor natin para ma-simplify. The same goes sa denominator, no? Factor muna and then simplify. Then cancel out the common factors, no? Then multiply the remaining factors after cancellation. So wrong spelling cancellation ko, dapat double L yan. Anyway, example, no? Number 1, x squared minus 16 all over by x squared plus 3x times, ito yung symbol natin sa multiplication, ha, lalo na sa mga algebra expression, hindi na tayo gumagamit ng cross. Ito na. Okay. Times x squared plus 4x plus 3 all over by x squared plus 2x minus 8. So sabi dito, factor natin yung mga expression sa numerator, no? I will repeat this one para clear sa inyo. Ayusin ko. So this one is not supposed to be simplify, no? Para maging specific tayo, factor. Okay, factor the expression in numerator, and then this one, factor the expressions in denominator. Okay, so para specific sa inyo, hindi kayo malito. Wait lang, kalimutan ko ulitin yung spelling ng cancellation. Okay. Yan. Now, factor the expressions in numerator and denominators, cancel out the common factors, then multiply the remaining. Okay, now, so factor natin yung first, yung numerator nito na itong first rational expression, itong x squared minus 16. Since difference of 2 square siya, so magiging ganito yung factor niya. Okay? Next, yung x squared plus 3x. Okay? Hindi siya difference of 2 square. No? So, titingnan natin yung common sa x squared tsaka sa 3x. Anong common? X, no? Factor out yung x, ang natira sa loob ng parenthesis is x plus 3. Then factor tong x squared plus 4x plus 3. Okay, trinomial, quadratic trinomial tayo. Now, ano yung factor niya? Using the two parentheses, no? Factors of 3 na kapag inad mo lalabas si 4, we have here x plus 1 times x plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? Next, x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, factors ulit na negative 8 para lumabas si positive 2. Ano yon? We have 4 times negative 2. Okay? So 4 times negative 2. Then we have x plus 4 times x minus 2. Okay? Look for the common factors. Anong common? We have x plus 4. Meron pa ba? Ito, x plus 3. Yan, kinancel out. Then multiply na tira. Now we have x minus 4 times x plus 1. That is, okay. Then x times x minus 2. Okay. So multiply natin to. No? Teka lang, di ka na ilagay yung sagot. Okay. So if we multiply this one, magiging, pwede naman ganitong sagot eh. Natanggapin ko to. Kasi factored form to. Pwede rin ganito yung sagot. Using the FOIL method, no? We have x squared, no? Then x times 1 is x. Then negative 4x times x. Lagay ko muna yung x, no? Then negative 4 times x is negative 4x. No? Then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Okay? Combine the similar terms. Ano yung similar to? Dito, x and negative 4x, no? X minus 4x, that is negative 3. So, papalitan ko to ng negative 3. 3x, no? Next, ito naman sa baba, no? Now, x times x, no? That is x squared. Okay? Then x minus 2, that is 2x. Okay? So, ito yung magiging sagot dyan, no? Pwede to, pwede rin to. Okay? So, tatanggapin ko tong sagot or ito. Okay? Ito yung factored form. Ito naman yung pinaka-simplified form niya. Okay? Okay, kung may question kayo, just ask me directly, ha? Okay, move tayo sa next example, no? Ito medyo madali, no? 8x squared y over by 10x raised to 5 times 5xy raised to 4 over by 6x cubed y squared. So inuuna ko yung mahirap, sinusunod ko yung madali, no? Kasi para naman na after this lesson, sasabihin yun, ay medyo madali lang pala yung lesson. Kasi pag inuuna ko yung madali, papuntang mahirap, mostly sinasabi ng mga students ko, ay mahirap pala. Sa una lang madali, no? So para mas nare-retain sa inyo yung mas madali. Okay? Now, 8x squared y over by 10x raised to 5 times 5xy raised to 4 all over by 6x cubed y squared. Again, ifa-factor natin to. Lahat yan, isa-isa. No? So sa 8x squared y, 8, may number 8 tayo dito. So kukunin natin yung prime factors ng 8. That is 2 times 2 times 2. Factors of x squared is x times x, dalawang x yan. And then times y. For 10, no, prime factors of 10, we have 2 times 5. Then factors of 6, x raised to 5 is x times x times x times x times x. So, limang x yun. Times factors naman ng 5, xy raised to 4. Yung 5 is a prime factor na. Kaya lagay lang natin yung 5. And then we have x times y times y times y times y. So, apat na y to, ha. Baka natatakpan ng picture ko. Apat yan. All over by prime factors of 6, we have 2 times 3. X raised to 3 is x times x times x. Y squared is y times y. Then now, cancel out natin yung common factors, no? Cancel out natin yung 2. From numerator to denominator yung cancel out, another 2 dito. Meron pa bang 2? Wala na. X, ito sa baba, marami, no? Cancel out to. Cancel out din to. Ano pa? Sa y, meron ba? Meron. Cancel out natin tong y. 5, meron? Okay, meron sa baba. X, meron pa. Maraming x sa baba. Y, meron pa. Isa na lang. No? So, yun, wala na. So, natira, no? We have 2, ito yun, times y times y. Tatlong y pa natira. Kasi isa lang nabawas natin sa y raised to 4 eh. I mean, dalawa kasama tong isa. No? And then, natira sa baba, we have 3. Ito yon, number muna. And then, ilang x? 5x. Ito. And then, itong tatlong to. Yan. Then, multiply 2 times y times y times y. That is equal to 2y cubed all over by 3 times x times x times x is equal to 3x raised to 5. Okay? Next, now we have 4x minus 4y all over by x squared minus y squared times x plus y all over by 8. Okay, now, this time, ganun pa rin, no? Factor natin tong mga expressions na to. Okay, so 4x minus 4y, hindi sila difference of 2 square. Even though kahit may 4 dyan, since yung x tsaka yung y, yung exponent nila is 1, kaya hindi siya difference of 2 square. Baka ma-confuse kayo. So kukunin lang natin yung common factor ng 4x at saka ng 4y. Meron sa 4x, meron din sa 4y, that is 4. Then natira, x minus y. Over by x squared minus y squared. Now, ito na yung difference of 2 squares. So magiging x minus y times x plus y. Negative, positive. Okay, times x plus y, wala yung wala yung factors. Actually, parang prime number siya, no? So maging x plus y lang. All over by the prime factors of 8, we have 2 times 2 times 2 or simply 8 lang muna. Okay? Then, cancel out 4, 8. So yung 8 magiging 2 na yan. Okay? Next, x minus 1, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. Okay, nauna to. Okay? So walang natira sa taas sa numerator natin. Anong ilalagay? 1. Sa baba, ano natira? 2. So we have 1/2. Okay? Exercise na multiply the following. No? For number 1, 4a squared b all over by c cubed times 3c raised to 5 all over by 8a cubed b. Okay? So kunin muna natin yung mga factors na itong expression. For 4a squared b, we have 2 times 2 times a times b. For c cubed, we have c times c times for 3c raised to 5 is 3 times c times c times c times c times c, 5c. Then for 8a cubed b, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times a times a times a times b. Then cancel out yung common. Tanggalin natin itong dalawang 2 na yan. Dalawang a, no? B, C muna, tatlong C, meron pang B, no? Di ko na ilagay yung B. So cancel out din tong B, ang natira, 3C squared all over by 2 times A is 2A. Okay? So ayusin ko. May nalaktawan si sir. Isa pang B, no? Okay, cancel out to. Hindi ko nang lalagyan to ng animation para hindi mahirapan. Yan, no? Cancel out na. Next, number 2, 4ax minus 2bx all over by y times y squared over all over by 6ax minus 4bx. Again, get the common factors na ito. No? Sa 4ax, ito, we have 2x times, ang natira sa loob is 2a minus b. Kasi ang common sa kanila is 2x. Then y times y. Ito yun. Sa 6ax minus 4bx, ang common sa kanila is 2x. So natira sa loob is 3a minus 2b. Cancel out yung common. Tanggal natin 2x, isa pang y. Natira, 2a minus b times y all over by 3a minus 2b. Yan. Factored form yun. Tatanggapin ko to. Pwede yan. Okay? Next, number 3, x squared minus 5x plus 4 all over by x squared minus 25 times x squared plus 10x plus 25 all over by x squared plus 3x minus 4. So medyo mahaba to. Ito yung example number 1 natin. Isa-isang pag-factor natin. So ito yung magiging factor formula. For x squared minus 5x plus 4 is x minus 4 times x minus 1. No? Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Kaya pasok to. X squared minus 25. Okay, difference of 2 squares ulit. So magiging x minus 5 times x plus 5. No? Negative, positive. Next, x squared plus 10x plus 25. That is the perfect square trinomial. No? Kunin lang natin yung square root ng x squared tsaka ng 25. Then we have x plus 5 times x plus 5. Sunod, x squared plus 3x minus negative 4, ay minus 4, no? So ito yun, x plus 4 times x minus 1. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, cancel out yung common. Ano yung common? We have x minus 1, x minus 1. X plus 5, x plus 5. Natira, we have x minus 4 times x plus 5 all over by x minus 5 times x plus 4. Okay, so nasa factored form siya. Or pwede niyo naman multiply using the FOIL method. Okay? So that's it for multiplication of rational algebraic expression. Okay, thank you for listening. Again, do not forget to answer exercises, no? Okay? So that's all. Goodbye and take care.